Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to compute the sums of three elements of an array using JavaScript. This is a foundational skill for many programming applications. So let's get started. Our task is simple. Take an array of three integers and calculate their sum. This is a fundamental operation used in mathematics, data processing, and many coding challenges. Here's the sum3 function. It takes an array of three integers as input and returns the sum of its elements using array indexing. The simplicity of this function makes it both efficient and easy to understand. First, we use array indexing to access each of the three elements. Then, we add them together and returns the sum. This process is straightforward and can be implemented in a single line of code. In this example, the elements of the array are 10, 32, and 20. Their sum is 62, which is returned by the function. Here, the array contains 5, 7, and 9. The function adds these numbers and returns 21 as the output. This example demonstrates handling negative numbers. The array elements 0, 8, and negative 11 summed to give the result negative 3. Here's the ES6 version of the function. It uses destructuring to extract the three elements of the array, making the code more readable and concise while maintaining the same functionality. In summary, we learned how to compute the sum of an array's elements using basic addition. This technique is fundamental yet versatile, forming the basis for more complex calculations. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tips and tricks. See you in the next one.